Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Okay, today's class as usual is a very interesting one. I'll be showing us how to design this beautiful roll-up banner you are looking at right now. Guess what? It is designed from A to Z using a smartphone. Both the design, the mock-up and every other thing is being done 100% on smartphone. It is very easy. It is not difficult at all. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, I want you to pause this video right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever we drop amazing videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Okay, we want to design a roll-up banner, right? So first things first, we'll be changing the image size of our workspace. All right, good. So you'll be moving down here. You'll be clicking on image size. Then I'll be reducing this to 85 while I'll be changing this as well to 200. Okay, good. So this is what we're gonna be working with very quickly. So I'll be deleting this. Delete. Okay, good. So according to the design we want to follow for this class, we'll be getting a color for our background. Okay, the color we want to use for our background is color white. So once I click on these two square overlapping each other, it brings out this icon. Then I click on color. Then I scroll to where I have color white. So you can change it to any color you want. But for the benefit of this class, we'll be using white. Good. So I'll be going to where I have my plus sign. I want to bring in a shape, square shape. So I'll be expanding that very quickly. I'll be giving it a color, fill color. I'll be using this particular lemon green. Amazing. So I'll be taking it, rotate it this way, expand it a bit, rotate. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, good. So I'm just going to move it up a bit. Let's see. You have to work with your alignment. Everything has to be perfect, trust me. So I think I'm okay with this. Then I'll be clicking on it and then I'll be copying it. Perfect. I'll be rotating it the other way. When it comes to graphic designing, you can always try anything. Just have to be what? You just have to be creative. That's just what matters. So I'll be changing the color of that as well. Click on color, enabled. Changing it to this color. Perfect. Oh yes. Let me stretch it out a bit. Good. So I'll move it this way. Move it a bit. So I'm just trying to find the best position where we can put it. We have to align it properly. Let's see what we have here. Okay, good. Let me rotate it a bit, just a little. Good. Okay. I'm gonna expand it a bit. Let's see. Okay, I think this is perfect. This is perfect. Good. So I'll be going back to our shapes again, bringing in just a small square of this size. Then I'll be changing the fill color. Let me see what color can we use. Okay, let's use this. Perfect. I'll be placing it here, then I'll be sending to back. good. You see that? Nice and lovely. Very straightforward. We're making progress. So I'll be clicking on this layer, then I'll be locking everything in position. Merge it so it's now one entity. Good. So let me just place it back there. I want to lock it very quickly. Good. So it stays in the position, it doesn't move around. Now we're moving straight to our write up. Okay, so let's go to where we have our text, edit it very quickly. So I'll be typing 2023. Okay. Expand it a bit. Good. And I'll just click on copy, edit, admission. Okay. And I'll click on copy, edit, now open, all in capital letter. So the banner is basically for a school. So we are just trying to create an awareness for the school admission program. So that's just what we are trying to do very, very quickly. Good. So I'll be going to where I have my color, and I'll be giving it this lemon green color. I'll be giving this color as well, and I'll be giving you lemon green. Okay, good. So I'll be moving down to where we have our stroke. Click on enabled. Perfect. Click on enabled, stroke enabled. So the stroke will make it to come out well, to be more bold. So I want to use a dark green, this as my stroke. Then for this as well, I'm going to where I have my stroke enabled, changing it to this. Perfect. Nice. So now let's work on the image picture we have here. So I'm going to my gallery. I have downloaded some materials already. So I'm going down to my gallery where I have my downloads. So I'll be using this particular one here. Good. If you don't know where to download all these materials, you can check my other videos. I have dropped a whole lot of sites where you can get free materials and how you can use them to your benefit. It is very, very easy. It is not difficult at all. So I'm going to where we have shapes. I'll be clicking on the shapes. I want to use this particular hexagon shape. So I'll just mark that very quickly. So I'll be going to where we have our texture. So I want to impute our picture into that hexagon shape very, very quickly. So I'll be moving straight to where we have our pictures downloaded. So I'll be using this particular image. So I'll just click on our mark sign. So it automatically comes inside the shape. So you'll be going back to your texture. You can see that there is a line break here. So once you enable it, it will take full cover of the image just like this. If you see that you don't want this break right here in the middle, you don't want this break, so you click on enabled. Perfect. So you just have to expand it in such a way that it covers the hexagon shape. Okay, so let's work on that very quickly. Let's work on that very quickly. Okay, so I'm just going to perfect. Perfect. This is lovely. So I'm going to my layer. I want to merge both of them together. Perfect. Good. So it is now an entity. So I'm just going to be expanding that very quickly and placing it somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. Drag it down a bit. Perfect. Nice. Okay, let's see. Good. Now I'll be designing the school logo. Very important. You have to place the school logo in your banner, your flyer, whatever thing. The logo of the company or the business you're trying to design a store for has to be there. So let's go back to where we have our gallery and create a logo very quickly. Let's create a logo very quickly. Okay, I don't think I have it there. Okay, yes, good. So since it's a school, I will be using this book logo, which I have also downloaded from one of my sites. If you want to download this, you can always watch my other YouTube videos on sites where you can get free materials. It is right here on my YouTube channel. Okay, so the name of the school, let's assume the name of our school is Kids Academy. So I'm going to where I have my text, then I'll be typing it all in cap lock Kids. Then I'll be going to copy, edit, academy. Okay, good. So I will be giving it a color black. Good. So I'll be giving this color black as well. Perfect. So let me just reduce it a bit. Place them beside each other. Then let me give it a stroke, just 1% stroke, so that it can be bold. You don't want it looking all faint, and you have to make it okay. Good. So let's merge that together very quickly. Perfect. Reduce it a bit. Place it side by side with the book icon. You see that? Beautiful. Then you merge both of them together. Perfect. So you have this. So you can either reduce it or increase it, whichever way you want. You are the boss, trust me. So I'm just going to be reducing that very quickly. So I'll be moving it to the top corner here. You see that? That is lovely. Looking more professional. Yes, we're getting there. So let's work with the alignment of this. Reduce the size a bit. Good. Perfect. So I'm just trying to work on the alignment. Very important. Very important. Trust me. You don't want to miss out on this particular part. So it is very okay. Okay, making progress. Okay, I think that is better. So I'm just going to merge all three together. Perfect. So I'm just gonna place it somewhere around here. Good. So moving forward, moving forward. Okay, good. Moving forward, we have they're actually giving an admission process, but they're giving a 25% off discount for students. So you have to make that bold as well so that people can see it well at a glance. So I'll be going to my gallery where I've downloaded some materials already. So I'll be using this. We're bringing that in, reducing the size, reducing the size very quickly. Good. Then I'll be placing that somewhere around here. Then I'll be typing in the bonus offer, which is 25% off. 25%. So I'll be bringing that down very quickly. 25%. Okay. Off. Good. Click on OK. So let's move that down very quickly. So we are making progress. If this is the first time you are watching my video, this is the first time you are on my channel, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trust me. If you have not subscribed, you are really, 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 really missing out. So a better color that would pop up better on this red seal is when the text is in color white. You can see that when it's in color black, you can barely see it. So you have to make everything very, very legible. Your prospective clients have to see what your audience have to see what you are trying to show at a glance. Okay, let me just rewind that. Okay, I have this, then I have this. So I'll be changing the color to color white. Good. So this and this, I'll be placing that. Okay, so let me just reduce this a bit. This is better. So I'll just be merging both of them so that it can make my work easier. Good. You see that? Reduce that a bit. Good. So when I'm saying you have to work on your alignment, I really, really mean it. Everything has to be perfectly aligned. Good. So let's just merge those two together. Perfect. So I'll be placing it somewhere around here. Not too big, not too small. Not too big, not too small. Okay, so when you're working, you have to look at everything you are doing. Everything has to be perfectly aligned. Good. Now, next thing will be typing in what you're gonna be offering in your school, as in like qualities, other qualities you want your audience to see, just something more catchy. So in this school, it's going to be more of interactive learning, group activities, individual development, and what have you. So you'll be typing all that down. Okay. So I'm going to where I have my text. interactive learning, interactive learning. Okay, placing that there. Copy, edit, group activities. Okay, move it down. Copy, edit, individual development, individual development. Okay, good. You're making progress, so you're gonna be working on the alignment very, 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 very quickly. So let me just change the color to a bright black so that it can come out well on the white background. Perfect. So I'm just gonna be working on the alignment very, very quickly. Good. So I'll be bringing in a mark sign which I have downloaded already. This mark sign. Good. So I'm just going to be reducing the size very quickly. Let's see what we have here. Reduce it very quickly. Okay. Okay, so let me just merge that together. Okay, good. So let me just move it to the front a bit. So if that is too small for you to handle, you can just move to where you have your position. You can move it with using these two. Okay, it's kind of too big, so I just want to reduce it. Good. So let's move back to our position. Good. So I'll go to copy position. Let's move it down a bit. So I'm just trying to work on it very quickly. Good. So click on copy and position. Let's move it very, very quickly. We are making progress. I am sure you are enjoying this video because I am definitely enjoying it as well. So let's move that this way. Good. Perfect. So I'll be changing the color to an orange color. Good. So let's merge everything together. So this plus this. Good. So you see that? Beautiful. Beautiful. Trust me. So it's much more easier to move. Good. So I'll be putting a contact number where they can reach to call for inquiries and all of that. But before that, let's bring a picture of a young girl, a young scholar. Okay, so let's just from my gallery. Okay, let's see what we have here. It's in my download. Just to add a feel of, going to school can be fun and all of that. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just trying to work on the adjustment. Moving this here. Be placing this somewhere around here. Okay, I think this is better. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. It does not have to be too choky. It does not have to be too choky. Okay, so let's just place this somewhere around here. Okay, so our contact numbers. So all in capital letter. Call now. I'm gonna use the column right there. Okay. I want to change the font. Let's change the font very quickly. I want to use this. Good. So I'll just copy that and edit. So let's just use this number with the 1 2 2 3 3 3 3. Okay. So I'll just bring that down here very quickly. Perfect. So I'll place that here. Let me change the color. I'll change the color to color green. Okay, then I'll change the stroke. Be giving it a stroke. Good. So it pops up that way. So let's use this color and let's give it a stroke as well. I think I'm okay with this. This is looking beautiful. Trust me. Okay, so I'll be merging that very quickly. I'll be merging that very quickly. Okay, so let me move that. Yeah, so it is kind of bold, but not too bold. It's kind of bold. Really nice. Good. Let's move it here a bit. Okay. I want to give it a touch of some kind of design. Okay, let's go to where we have our circle. I'll put the opacity to 0, then I'll be giving it a stroke of like 3 width. So I'll be giving the stroke a color. I'll be giving it this color. I'll be placing it somewhere around here. Okay. Placing it somewhere around here. Okay, so I'll click on copy. I'll place another one somewhere around here. You see that? Then I'll click on copy again. Place another one somewhere around here. You see that I'm just trying to get a nice design. So put that somewhere around here. So I'll be changing the color of that to green. Changing the color of that as well to green. Good. So we have orange green, orange green. Nice one. Okay, so let's just merge that together so that it stays in a place. Perfecto. Good. So let's just move this down a bit. Let's move this down a bit. Good. Oh, okay. I think this is nice. What else? Nothing. We are super good to go. So we are done with the text, the designing, and what have you. This is just like a guideline, a basic guideline on how you can actually design like a roll-up banner for a school. Good. So now we are done with the design. So this is actually printable, 100% printable and 100% editable if you follow the steps I am about to show you. Now you're done with the designing, you want to save your project, right? So you click on this icon that has like that looks like an SD card. You save as project first. Save as project. The reason why we are saving as project is because maybe you want to make an edit in the future. Want to make an edit in the future, you can just easily go back to your work, go back to your project, then edit it, then you can still save as project again. So you click OK, you give it a name, save as project. Good. Then you still go back there, then you save as image. This image is what you're going to be using for your 3D mockup. Now you see that the format is in JPEG, no transparency. You can leave it that way. It is okay. Then your dimensions rather is in custom. But custom is not the top quality. When you're talking about top quality, you're talking about ultra. So you click on this icon, then you go to where you have your ultra, then you save as ultra, then you save to your what? To your gallery. Very, very simple, so that your work does not come out looking all blurry. It is very, 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 very simple. It is not difficult at all. If you don't understand anything, you can always go back to the video, watch it again. And if you still don't understand, you can always meet me. Then I'll be so more than willing to help you with any questions you have. Now we're done with the part one. Now let's move to the part two, where we're gonna be mocking it up as a 3D. Okay, now let's move on. Okay guys, welcome to the part two of this class. Now we're gonna be mocking it up on our Photopea. Okay, so what you just need to do is just go to your Chrome browser. You type in www.photopea.com, and the interface automatically opens up this way. Okay, so I have actually downloaded our roll-up banner mockup that we're going to be using. If you don't know how to download, you can always go back to my other YouTube videos where I talked about how to download mockup from your free pics free of charge. Yes, you had that right, free of charge. So I'll be going to our file, click on open. So I'm just going to locate where I have the mockup, the banner mockup that I have actually downloaded. So I'm just trying to locate that very, very quickly. Good. So once you locate it, it's going to load. You have to be very, very patient when working with Photopea. It's loading. So this is the banner, the mockup we want to work on. So you click on this layer here. You click on this icon. It opens up this way. Then you double tap on these two things you have here. You double tap on it very, very quickly. So it opens up this way. So you close those icons. You close those icons very, very quickly. Perfect. Then go back to your file. You click on open and place. So once you click on open and place, it comes up this way. So you want to locate what you've designed. So this is what we designed now. Okay, so it's going to load up. Perfect. So once it opens up this way, you go back to your file. Then you click on save smart object. Very, 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 very easy. Perfect. So you go back to this. Let's see if it has taken the shape. Wow, look at that. Amazing. So you go back to your layer. You want to do it to the back as well. You've done to the front, you now want to do to the back. So you double tap on these two. So you close the eye icon. Perfect. Then go back to your file. Click on open and place. You locate where you have your design. Okay, you have it in our pixel lab. So it's going to load up this way very, very quickly. Then you click on save smart object. It is very, 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 very easy. It is not difficult at all. So once you click on that, let's see. Wow, look at that. Amazing. So if you want to save it, go back to your file, click on export as, then you click on PNG. You click on your PNG, then after that it's going to load up. It's actually trying to save. So you just click on save. So it's going to ask if you want to download, then click on download. Wow. Now let's open it. Let's see what we've actually designed. Let's see our beautiful work. Let's see. It's loading up. It's loading up. Okay, we are almost there. Wow, look at this. You see, it is not blurry at all. It is beautiful. Like amazingly beautiful. You see that? So these are the kind of magic you can perform using your smartphone only if you subscribe to TM Business Innovations, where you can get amazing videos, amazing tutorial videos like this one. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a very clean job, a very, very neat job. You see that? I know you like it. I actually know you in particular like this. Okay, this will be all for today. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section or you can message me privately. I would really love to hear from you. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do well to share this video. Do well to like this video. I'm gonna see you in the next class. Bye bye.